Another day, another story. Can suggest the following ways to improve your stamina. Start with a balanced diet. Eating a well-balanced diet that includes carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats will help you build and maintain stamina. Exercise regularly. Engage in physical activities such as running, cycling, swimming, or strength training to improve your cardiovascular fitness and endurance. Increase intensity gradually. Avoid pushing yourself too hard too quickly, as this can lead to injury or burnout. Gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts to build endurance. Get enough sleep. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night to help your body recover and perform at its best. Hydrate. Drink plenty of water before, during, and after exercise to help regulate body temperature and prevent dehydration. Interval training. Incorporate interval training into your workouts to increase your stamina. This involves alternating periods of high-intensity exercise with periods of rest or low-intensity exercise. Focus on breathing. Practice deep breathing and controlled breathing during exercise to help regulate your breathing and prevent fatigue. Note: before starting any new exercise program, it's important to check with your doctor to make sure it's safe for you. Thanks for watching.